In this video, you'll learn how to change the text font size on your Pixel 3. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your reading experience on the device. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 3. This app typically appears as a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Display and tap on it. This section contains various settings related to how your screen appears. Within the display settings, you will find several options. Look for the setting called Font Size Bar. This option directly influences how text is displayed across your device. Selecting this will allow you to adjust the font size to your liking, which can significantly enhance readability based on your personal preference. After tapping on font size, you will see a slider appear on your screen. This slider can be moved left or right to decrease or increase the font size, respectively. As you adjust the slider, a preview of the text will be displayed, showing you how different sizes look. It is important to choose a size that feels comfortable for you. Remember, larger fonts improve visibility, but may reduce the amount of content displayed on the screen at once. Once you've selected your desired font size, you can exit the Settings app. To verify your changes, open various apps on your device and check how the new font size appears in different contexts. If the text does not appear as expected, consider adjusting the font size again using the same slider. In some cases, you might need to restart your Pixel 3 for the changes to take full effect. You have now successfully updated the font size on your Pixel 3 and meet your preferences. If necessary, feel free to revisit the settings to make additional adjustments until you find the perfect size for your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.